Hello, hi guys. How are you? Have everything. I hope everybody going well. My name is Ahmad Shafiq. I'm from Malaysia. I'm new in ClickFunnel. I'm doing this video because as a record for myself, so that I know what is the problem that I have been facing since the beginning, and I can help other people so that other people do not make the same mistake as I did. So yesterday I have a problem that made me very frustrated, that I spent about 4 hours to figure out what is wrong with my funnel. The problem is my when I open my funnel and I key in the lead magnet, I key in the lead magnet funnel. I put my name, this one, and then I put my email address, and that email address is not transferred to the email integrated uh, marketing platform, which I use, mailchimp. So that is my problem. It's stressed me out because I just want to start quickly, because my before the OFA challenge started, I need to know what is the things I need to do so that I can move fast with it. Okay, and so what is the solution? So I contact with this ClickFunnel Avengers. So I speak with them. I'm very thankful to uh, Princess, what is her name? Princess Cordia, I suppose, she's guide me very. It's a simple answer from her. Uh, she suggests me to use Uber.com. So that solved my problem, because I cannot connect my funnel, is because I'm using Mailchimp. So you should not use Mailchimp uh, to sell an affiliate product. I suppose that is the reason why Mailchimp is not integrated well with ClickFunnel. This problem is for my yesterday problem. So she asked me to open an Uber account, so which I did. Okay, so I already opened, get everything. Everything is done, good, nice, everything well, and then comes the integration. So the integration part is I should click here, not here, email integration. Click here, integration, and then what should I do is add new integration and choose Uber. I already done that, so it's connected. It's very easy. It's simple. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it solved my problem within 1 hour. I'm really glad, happy. Okay, I'm really happy today. Okay, all right, and then it's my period of testing. Okay, there's not the step is not testing. Everything is going well. First, second, third, everything is going well. All right, okay, and then I test this funnel, and then I click my collecting funnel, and then I edit the page, and then here, and the setting integration. Supposedly this is not connected. Integrated with Uber. Integrated form. Click funnel. So done, is connected. So we just save there and back, and then I set up the thank you page. Then okay, copy this. Okay, testing. All right, put email. Put John. So it's just okay. Thank you. It's done. Okay, then I check back my Aweber account, check my subscriber, manage subscriber. Okay, done. Click the link down. Okay, it's done. So how much is the cost? Sometimes you'll be thinking, oh, I don't want to spend the cost because I have very limited budget, so the cost is zero. To fix this problem, the cost is zero because Aweber have a 30 days plan, free. After that, you need to pay. So I really suggested now you should use this Aweber. So everybody newbie here should not use mailchimp. This is the simplest solution that is working for me. All right, okay.